Welcome to the Smart Cards video tutorial on cell theory. Cell theory is a subtopic in the life science content area on the GED test. In this tutorial, we're going to cover cell theory. We're going to talk about what a cell is, the different types of cells, what cells do, and the organizational structure of cells. A cell is a microscopic structural and functional unit of a life form. All cells come from other cells, and no other life form is smaller than a cell. There are two types of cells, unicellular organisms or multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms can come in the form of bacteria or algae, whereas multicellular organisms can come in the form of animals, plants, and of course, humans. So what do cells do? When similar cells are grouped together, they form what's known as tissue. There are four categories of tissue in the human body. There's muscle tissue, which would be like your biceps or your calf muscles. There's connective tissue, which would be tendons or ligaments. You also have epithelial tissue, which would be the skin on your body or the skin on your internal organs. And we also have nervous tissue, which is the tissue that you would find in your brain or in your heart. Okay, so we just learned that when similar cells are grouped together, they form tissue. But when similar tissues are grouped together, they form an organ, such as your lungs or your kidneys. The purpose of cells and tissues grouping together is so that they can work together to execute the functions needed for everyday life. So in summary, cells group together to make tissues. Tissues group together to make organs. Organs group together to make internal systems within the human body. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a new tutorial next week. And if you're new to the Smart Cards YouTube channel, click the subscribe button.